everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nail Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a cutout design with a sculpting foam.
Good job I pressed record, isn't it?
I know that. I'm just getting a little bit ahead of myself. Just watch and you'll see what we're going to do. So I've already removed the surface shine off this nail. I'm going to go straight on with my sculpting foam. We are creating a ballerina shaped nail.
On my sweaty fingers.
On Megan's sweaty fingers. So I'm going to take that off because that looks wonky. Can you see everybody? That looks a bit, But what I'm going to do, sometimes these young uns, the skin's just that gorgeous.
Yeah.
That you need to just dehydrate them a little bit. Because they're so supple. So what I'm going to do is just wipe over Meg's finger. And just dehydrate it a little. See, mine are already dehydrated. Dry and horrible. That's what happens when you get old. You've got it all to look forward to.
I'd rather have dry hands than sweaty hands.
They're not sweaty, they're just, you know.
Sweaty.
I don't know what to say.
They're not sweaty, they're just sweaty.
Just, you know. I do think you might need to go to the doctor. I'm only joking. But, yeah.
Clammy.
Clammy.
They would literally just say, you've got clammy hands, just go home.
People are like, yeah, the doctor go, you've got clammy hands. Don't know why she's told you to come to the doctor. I don't want to have clammy hands, so what can I do, doctor?
Nothing.
Let's get that sculpting foam on. And then I'm going to use the nail prep dehydrator. Then we can go on with the acid-based primer. So, to do this cutout design, we need a base layer. And we're going to do this in clear.
Why is it you always do base layers in clear? Is there a reason?
Because I know that you can't see it.
Smarty pants.
It just, I don't know, I don't want anything to interfere with the colour of the nail. So doing the space layer in clear is much better.
Okay.
Is that alright, sir?
Alright.
Alright, kind sir.
I thought you were going to say something about it being stronger because there's no pigment in, or
No,
it's cheaper, or...
No, it's just that you can't see it really. That's more why I can't do it. So I've got pure purple, acrylic powder, golden gel we've got. We'll have a bit of honey bronze as well. I am going to use a bit of natural beige. So we have a scalpel.
What? Scalpel?
It's a craft knife, this is. It's a craft knife. It's not quite as sharp as a scalpel. It's not actually that sharp, it's just more the fact that it's got a nice straight edge on it. So I'm going to use it to do the cutouts. So we'll go. Yeah, that makes sense.
Trust the mad woman, trust her.
Yeah.
Trust me. Trust me, I'm not.
Just over the sharp blade near my finger.
I'm going to use this gorgeous. I mean, this colour's absolutely gorgeous. I reckon I can do 2 of these at a time. So I'm going to put 2 beads down roughly in the place that I want them. I'm going to wait till they start to set up and cut in and drag off what you don't want.
Is it easier to watch when she's got a sharp implement watching the screen instead of cutting your finger?
Yeah, because it looks like it's not me.
Not you.
It looks like I'm just watching a video. If I watch doing it in real life, it frightens me.
Is it frightening you? It's okay, it's all going to be fine. And I'm going to do the same again. So when you're doing cutouts, you're better adding more product than you think you will need. So you've got a decent amount to cut into. And because this clear layer is already set, it means I'm not going to cut through and yeah, I'm not going to be really happy that I'm not going to cut through onto her actual finger.
Well, yeah.
So that would be quite concerning. I don't want it to interfere with the next colour that's going to go on at the side of it. You need one here. I'm using Max Adhesion to give me more playtime. Then I'm going to use Natural Beige. So you want to butt straight up to that colour. Then again we're going to go in with the blade and cut in the sharp lines. And you're following this line up. So your previous triangles will help you with the rest of the design. So it's important to get that nice and straight first off. And I'm going to continue this down both sides of the nail. So I'm going to go into these sections now with purple. This is pure purple.
So is this where you have to build the edges?
Yeah, so you're gonna go slightly over the edge, because then you can figure out if you have to do another little diamond or not, depending on how wide that nail is. Right, we're going to encapsulate with clear, and the clear will give us the strength. I am going to pinch this. Oh, look at the nail. We're going to file this now to bring everything a little bit sharper. I am going to go over with the electric file. I'm just going to finish off with my hand file and just perfect the shape. So we're going to wipe over it with acetone just to smooth it out. I'm going to top coat now. I love that gold down the middle. Absolutely love, love, love it.
Yeah, that looks so nice.
Right, pop me that in the lamp. I'm going to finish this nail with some cuticle oil.
For my broken
Skin.
cuticles.
Yeah.
For my bleeding, sore, ripped
Yeah.
finger.
It's not that bad. She's totes the drama queen. I love that.
Same.
It's cool, isn't it?
Ignore the blood dripping off my hand.
Never made no gain and all that. There you are, guys. If you want to see more of Meg, follow her on Instagram. Who and her bloody finger. Everything I've used today will be listed below as always. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and check me out on Instagram, Kirsty Meakin. You know, but that's all I am. I'm not anything special.
Oh, you Kirsty Nails?
No,
Oh no, that's
Kirsty,
Snapchat.
just Kirsty Meakin. No, Snapchat's Kirsty Nails. What's your Snapchat?
It's really confusing.
What is it?
Just look on your Instagram.
Megan_22XOX. I made it when I was 12 and I can't change it.
See you in the next video. Bye bye.
You're a weirdo.
I'm glad somebody else has
Did
noticed.
you not realise this before you came?
I did.
You did, yeah.
Oh, I regret coming now.